Hello, this is Sebastian Gonzalez, here at your award-winning Parts Lincoln of Tampa. Today we have this beautiful 2023 Lincoln Corsair Reserve with a package 202 that will give you the BlueCruise 1.2 with a hands-free cruise control. I will show you that. Let me start with the jet package. This car will have the jet package that will give you a unique Lincoln Corsair with a high glossy black in your mirrors, these beautiful wheels, 20 wheel inches in black, and let me show you this guy. The grille in this particular car will be black, so we don't have chrome. That will give you a good looking vehicle, right? The Lincoln Corsair has taken cues from the Lincoln Aviator. One of them is the sense of motion, so you will see like the car is moving. With the roof, we have the same color as the car, but they did a really great job with the pillars. The black pillars will give you the idea that the roof is floating. One unique feature from Lincoln is the keyless entry. I love that feature. Why? Because we'll give me the option to let my personal keys, my phone, everything inside the vehicle, so I can go to the gym, I can go to a park, to the beach, and just with the 5-digit code from Lincoln, I can get into the car and I can lock the car with the last two digits. Lincoln did a really great job with the exterior, right? And they did with interior. One of them is the sense of touch. Everything you touch has a soft feel. Also, for the sense of visual, look the beautiful combination with the colors and the interior in the new 2023 Lincoln Corsair and the new screen that we have. Also, the sense of hearing. Lincoln replaced the regular chimes that could be stressful for a relaxing tones. They hired the Detroit Symphony, so listen this. And with the sense of smell, we have the auto air refresh. With this feature, the quality of the air in the interior will be awesome. If you had somebody with asthma or any allergy, they will love the ride better in this car. In this car, instead of the regular shifter, we have the piano key shifter. This beautiful shifter will give you the extra space to have the center console, more storage, more room, and in this car we have the charging pad without any plugging cable. BlueCruise 1.2 is the latest technology from Lincoln that was adding the adaptive cruise control with hands-free. That means that the driver will be allowed to drive hands-free using this facing camera and be engaged with the vehicle looking the road. Okay, a couple of steps to be ready to use the BlueCruise 1.2. The number one, we have to download Lincoln Way app in your phone. It's gonna be for free. We have to create the account and we have to link the vehicle to your phone. After that, the second step, we have to go to the screen to set up the BlueCruise. So we have to press home screen in the Lincoln Corsair. We can go to features right here. Okay, driver assistance. Now we have to make sure in cruise control that we are driving adaptive cruise control. Okay, we have to check that lane centering with hands-free is on, in lane repositioning is on, and activation prompt is on. So in this case, we are ready to go with the BlueCruise 1.2. Okay, now we're gonna start the adaptive cruise control. We have to go to the left side of the steering wheel. We have to press this button to start the cruise control. The first thing, we have to set up the distance that you want to have between your car and the other car. And the second thing, we have to set the speed. Now we are driving 60, so the car will hold the speed. Now, when you see the hold zone, it's gonna be blue. You will see the hands-free. Now you have to be focused on the road, so you have to be watching the road, and the car will start driving hands-free. Now, I want to show you how can we use lane change assist. So we have to just use the turn sign and the car will change the lane. But still, you have to be focused on the road for safety.